The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the LG Stylo 4 and Stylo 4 Plus. So the LG Stylo 4 and Stylo 4 Plus are receiving Android Pie. The unlock Stylo 4 is receiving Pie, and the AT&T version of the LG Stylo 4 Plus is receiving Android Pie. So I'm on AT&T's website here. I'm on the software update page for the Stylo 4 Plus for AT&T, model number LMQ710WA. So this is updated to reflect the Pie update for the Stylo 4 Plus on AT&T currently. So it says here the release date for the update was October 29th, which was a few days ago. You're getting 9.0 Pie, you're getting September 2019 security patch. There's a build number, version number is, software version is Q710WA20D, and it's about 1.23 gigs. And what's new with the update is Android Pie. Of course, you guys get all Pie features on this phone. If you guys want to know what Pie looks like on the, if you guys want to know what Pie would look like on the Stylo 4 Plus, just look up LG Stylo 5 on YouTube, and y'all guys will get an idea of what Pie would look like on the Stylo 4 Plus. So this is really cool, guys. So if you guys own the unlock the Stylo 4 or AT&T version of the Stylo 4 Plus, y'all guys are receiving Pie right now. Also, that is really cool. This is a big update, about 1.23 gigs, so do keep it in mind. Make sure that your phone is charged before you guys do the update, or put your phone on the charger while you update the phone to Pie. So do that, because it will take a while for it to update and stuff like that. And yeah, so for right now, the unlocked version of the Stylo 4 and the AT&T Stylo 4 Plus is getting Pie right now. I don't know if any other carriers will get it. I'm sure they will get it at some point. So Stylo 4 Plus is like, good phone stuff. And there's only a few carriers that carry the Stylo 4 Plus. You have AT&T, Boost Mobile, Sprint. I think T-Mobile carries it, and that's it. So a few carriers carries the Stylo 4 Plus. The Stylo 4 is available everywhere. It's available on every carrier except for Verizon. But right now, the unlocked Stylo 4 is getting Pie currently. But I'm sure the other carriers will get the update for the Stylo 4 on their respective carriers. So if you guys have an unlocked Stylo 4 or AT&T Stylo 4 Plus, y'all guys are receiving Pie right now. So if you guys have a Stylo 4 Plus on AT&T, have you guys received the update yet? If you guys have, I would like to know your experience with Pie so far on the phone. Do you guys like it? Do you guys said it? Does it make the phone feel faster? Does it make it feel slower? What are your experiences with Pie on the Stylo 4 Plus? I would like to know that in the comments down below. So that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you listen to me a lot, peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.